Look what China is making to fly inches from your face. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can sign up for my free newsletter. The HOVERAir X1 is a self-flying camera that does just that. Unlike many drones, the HOVERAir X1 is small, simple, and fully capable of getting around on its own. At just over a half a pound, the HOVERAir X1 is light enough to bypass the FAA's registration requirement for drones and small enough to fit into your pocket. Unlike most drones, this one doesn't need a controller. With the press of a single button on the drone, you can cycle through several flying modes. With the follow mode, the drone will follow you at a safe distance with no controls necessary. The HOVER X1 is equipped with advanced visual inertia odometry and a laser altitude positioning system that helps it avoid obstacles while it's following you. The drone can take videos up to a maximum resolution of 2.7K and has a 12 megapixel camera to take photos and holds up to 32 gigs to store photos and footage. The battery lasts about 20 flights per charge and takes between 30 minutes to an hour to recharge the whole thing. If you decide you want to control the drone, you can open up the HOVER X1's app and enter manual mode. What can't drones do these days? Are you getting my newsletter? Hover over to cyberguy.com and subscribe for free by clicking the little red button.